Welcome to my channel. If you've just bought a TGDLLF Wi-Fi extender and are not sure how to set it up, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the step-by-step manual setup using your web browser. Let's get started. Step 1. Plug in the extender. Plug the TGDLLF Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet near your main Wi-Fi router. Wait until the power LED turns solid. Step 2. Connect to extender's Wi-Fi. On your phone or PC, go to Wi-Fi settings. Connect to the extender's default Wi-Fi network, example, TGDLLF_EXT. Step 3. Open web browser. Open Chrome, Edge, or Safari. In the address bar, type http://ap.setup and press enter. Step 4. Log in to setup page. Default login is usually username, admin, password, admin, or check your user manual. Step 5. Select your router's Wi-Fi. The extender will scan for available networks. Choose your home router Wi-Fi and enter the Wi-Fi password. Step 6. Configure extended Wi-Fi. Either keep the same SSID, for seamless roaming, or set a new Wi-Fi name. Save settings and allow the extender to reboot. Step 7. Relocate the extender. Unplug and place it halfway between your router and Wi-Fi dead zone. Ensure the signal LED is green, good, and not red, weak. Step 8. Connect devices. Now connect your devices to the extended Wi-Fi network. For instant help call, 1-800-915-5645. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Wi-Fi setup tutorials.